Disclaimer.
You're wasting time if you're not investing in SIPs right now. While others grow their wealth quietly, you're just watching. Let's fix that today, with 5 safe and profitable SIPs you can start in 2025. Systematic investment plans or SIPs are the smart way to build wealth, small amounts, invested regularly, with compound magic doing the rest. But not every SIP is worth your money. Today I'll show you 5 mutual funds that are trending, safe, and perfect for long-term growth in 2025. 1. Parikh Flexi Cap Fund. This one's a no-brainer. Diversified across Indian and international stocks, it brings consistency with moderate risk. 2. Bluechip Fund. Large cap focused, meaning it invests in India's biggest companies. Less volatility, more peace of mind. If you want to automate your trades, then click on the icon above for my trading automation bots tutorial. 3. Mirae Asset Emerging Bluechip Fund. Best of both worlds, large and mid-cap exposure. A favorite of young investors looking for slightly more returns. 4. Nippon India Large Cap Fund. Very impressive performance in the last 5 years, with 20% annualized return. Still safer than small cap funds. 5. Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund. This is for the bold, returns of 30% plus, but yes, it comes with higher risk. Don't put all your eggs here, diversify. But bro, SIPs are not magic. Here's what you need to remember before you start. Returns are market-linked, no guarantee. Mid-cap funds are volatile, expect ups and downs. Stick to long-term, SIPs shine over 5 to 10 years. Avoid stopping SIP during corrections, that's when it works best. If you want a detailed PDF guide, comment SIP 2025 below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram for reels and tips, and join our growing tribe on the AI Trading Revelation Facebook page for deeper insights, updates, and mutual fund secrets.